Hey everybody, quick update. I changed the coils and the design to make this better, easier. So when I will put this in between the two magnet rings, so then all I gotta do is set this in and it'll just slide in on these side slots to line up, and the rest will just slide in. I also want to move this back in between these two, and I want to shorten this distance. When I set these in, I gotta kind of set it in, and when it's in front, it puts it at a weird angle. I got these designs all posted on Zenodo, so everybody can recreate these if they want to try. This is just a simple micro motor, a button, and a 9-volt battery. And then I put some magnets in here. All these designs are in here with some plugs. And that is the cheapest, most basic micro motor I could use when I was testing this. These have no torque. Anybody that's ever used these will tell you, I mean, they're great for like a little fan or maybe like a drone or like a little wheel if it's really light, but these things really have no torque. So I will get all that done and I'll get these coils finished. These kept breaking. This is the one I got 1.5 volts off of, a little bit higher actually, but then that broke, so I never got the video of it. This is the one I was testing before that got 1 volt off of, but it's not kind of full. This has probably about 100, 150 more windings. After that, we will get to the transformer and get that started. I just wanted to make sure everybody knew how I was testing this, what we were going from, and see if we can get more output than input. I was just surprised that that actually ran it, because these things have no torque. They're great at speed, but they have no torque. Like I could stop it with my finger just by pressing on it. It really kind of threw me for a loop when that actually ran it. So I'm gonna get these more tested, see if we can get more out than in, since we now have a set amount for in. And then we're gonna see what we can do with this. And then I just want to rearrange this a little bit for stability, because it's not needed. I had a lot of wasted space here where I could put the wheel, that disc, and this in between, and it'll actually let me set it in easier if this is kind of on this side of it. So I will get all this done and I will keep posting with updates, and then once I finish these and get this all reassembled, I will start posting the tests from those, and then we'll get them all added together. Either we'll do them in parallel or in series, depending. If I want to do it, so I could attach this one to this one, and then that one to that one, and that one to that one, it would still work the same. That'll add them. Or I can do it like I originally planned with, which was with resistors, and just attaching it all kind of together. Either way works for the purpose of it, since all I'm trying to do is run the alternating current through one side of this and have it magnify by having more windings on this. But in doing this, it won't add a resistance over here more than the already 1.5 volts that it's already producing, or 1 volt per however, whatever the next readings come out. It makes me mad because I got a good reading on this one and then it broke. But I also want to test, I want to wrap a coil with one and insulate it, but I want to add iron powder in between. And I don't know if that will actually have any effect on it, but I'd like to see, just to be sure. And if I compare two coils with this that are exactly the same, but one has iron powder in it and one doesn't, will it give me a better result? So I will keep posting these tests, and I'll get this all finished as I go along and keep everybody updated.